Hey everyone! In this video, you will learn how to talk about travel situations in English. Watch this conversation carefully. Notice the useful phrases they use in real life. You will hear an airport conversation, a hotel conversation, a metro and taxi conversation, and many more. Travel dialogues you can practice with a partner or by yourself. Let's start the conversation now.
Hello, where is the ticket counter?
It is on the ground floor, near the main gate.
Thank you. Do you have a map of the airport?
Yes, take this free map from the information desk.
Which platform goes to the city center?
Platform number 4. The train leaves in 10 minutes.
How much is a one-way ticket?
$5 for one person.
Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry, cash only for this ticket machine.
Where can I exchange money?
Go to the currency exchange next to the coffee shop.
Is there a restroom near here?
Yes, turn left and walk 50 meters.
What time does the next bus leave?
The next bus leaves at 3:15.
Do I need to book a seat in advance?
No, this is a free seating bus.
How long is the journey to the beach?
About 2 hours by road.
Is there Wi-Fi on the bus?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available for all passengers.
Can I take my suitcase inside?
Large suitcases go in the storage area under the bus.
Where is the taxi stand?
Just outside exit number 2.
How much to go to the Grand Hotel?
Around $15, but please confirm with the driver.
Do you accept UPI or digital wallets?
Some taxis do, but carry cash to be safe.
Which hotel do you recommend near the station?
Hotel Sunshine is clean and very close.
Does that hotel have a restaurant?
Yes, and it serves breakfast from 7 to 10.
I need a single room for one night.
Check online or ask at reception for best prices.
Is breakfast included in the room price?
Usually yes, but please double check when booking.
What is the check-in time?
Check-in starts at 2 in the afternoon.
Can I leave my bag here before check-in?
Yes, most hotels have luggage storage.
Where is the nearest metro station?
Walk straight for 5 minutes. You will see the blue sign.
Which metro line goes to the museum?
Take the red line towards Central Park.
How many stops until the museum?
For stops, then get off at Museum Square.
Is the museum open on Monday?
No, it is closed on Monday. Open Tuesday to Sunday.
What is the entry fee for the museum?
$10 for adults, $5 for children.
Can I take photos inside?
Yes, but no flash or tripod.
Where can I buy a souvenir?
There is a gift shop at the exit of the museum.
Do you have a guided tour in English?
Yes, at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. every day.
How do I get to the airport from the city?
Take the express train from the central station.
How often does the express train run?
Every 30 minutes from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
How much is the express train ticket?
$12, and it takes 20 minutes.
Is there a cheaper option?
Yes, the local bus costs $3 but takes 1 hour.
Where do I buy a local SIM card for internet?
At the mobile shop near the supermarket.
Do I need my passport to buy a SIM card?
Yes, passport is required for registration.
Can you help me call a rental car company?
Sure, use this phone. The number is on the board.
What documents do I need for a rental car?
Driving license, passport, and a credit card.
Is there parking near the beach?
Yes, paid parking is available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
What is the speed limit in the city?
Usually 40 kilometers per hour. Check signs.
Can I rent a bicycle instead of a car?
Yes, many shops rent bicycles by the day.
How much for a full-day bicycle rental?
Around $8, including a helmet and lock.
Where can I find a good local restaurant?
Try the food street near the old church.
Do they serve vegetarian food?
Yes, many restaurants have vegetarian options.
Is tap water safe to drink here?
Better to buy bottled water to be safe.
What is the emergency number here?
Dial 112 for police, fire, or ambulance.
Thank you for all your help.
You are welcome. Have a safe and happy journey.
Great job! You just learned how to talk about travel. In English, try practicing this conversation with a friend or by yourself. Listen to this video again if you need more help, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at Ya Speak English for more English learning videos. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye.